Hi kids. So today we're going to be listening to sounds and we're going to use those sounds to make words. And it'll go like this. You'll get three sounds. Ka, at. Now slide them together. Ka, at. Cat. Next three sounds. D, ok. D, ok. Dog. See? Now let's follow the snow cloud to make the words. Op. Op. Slide it together. Mop. Are we correct? Do we know what a mop is? Mop. That's correct. Op. Op. Hop. She likes to hop. Op. Op. Pop. Pop the balloon. Top. 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 I spin the top. Cup. Up. Cup up. Cop. The cop is here. Z up. Z up. Sop. Nonsense word. Booby trap. That doesn't actually make a sound. And that's our lesson for today. So you can go ahead and do it yourself now by doing the activity that's been assigned to you using the same words. Good luck.